Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. Have you ever looked at a floor plan like this, like the one you are seeing on the screen, and felt completely lost? Don't just worry, because today I'm going to change that narrative, okay? So in this video, I will break down 3 simple steps on how to read floor plans like a pro. A pro here means like an expert, okay? Whether you are a student, a builder, an artisan, or just an enthusiast in the field of construction, just stick around, because by the end of this video, you will be identifying walls, doors, and even other stuff, okay? And you will be doing it like a seasoned architect or an engineer. Please don't just forget to subscribe for more construction tips, okay? Thank you very much if you do that. So before we get into what we have today, I want you to look at this floor plan on my screen right now, okay? It's a very simple structure. Look at the 3D view of that plan from one angle. I hope you can see it, okay? From another angle, the 3D view, okay? So I want you to see it. So before we get into what we have, I just want to let you know that these floor plans are the backbone of any construction. Yes, it's a backbone, which shows the layout. As you can see, the layout of a building. It shows the walls, the windows, and so on. For beginners, it can feel like a puzzle, but for an expert, it's already a roadmap. But don't worry, today I have got a 3-step that will make it super easy for you. Let's just get started, okay? So number one simple step is understanding the basic symbol, okay? Every floor plan uses universal symbols to represent things like doors, windows, and walls, and so on and so forth. So I want you to look at this plan. Let me zoom the door. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay. So, all right. I want to mark it for you. This is door, a single door. This is double door, as I have just marked it. So whenever you are doing your construction and you are seeing this symbol that looks like an arc, you know that it is door. This is another double door. This is single door. This is also single door. So I hope you have understood, okay? So after the door, yeah, we have window, okay? So let me also show you the window symbol. Whenever you see a floor plan, as I am marking it now, these are windows, okay? So this my window here is 700. Though I'm still coming on that, 700 millimeter. So I want to let you know that these windows is very, very important. If you could not be able to identify them, it shows there's a problem. So another thing I want to show you, the walls, like this one. And one thing about these walls, like this one I have just marked, is a continuous wall, okay? Look at them, look at them, look at them. So I hope you have seen it as I've just marked them, okay? So what I have just marked are walls, a continuous wall for that matter, okay? So I also want to show you other stuff, non-continuous wall, Okay, non-continuous wall like this one, the one I'm marking right now. They are non-continuous wall. Please note that the wall is terminating at DPC level. Do you understand me? So don't take it beyond DPC. Okay, as you can see this wall, the lines are broken lines. Please take note whenever you are reading your floor plan. Please take note of all these things and know where one will begin and know where another will stop. Okay, so another symbol I want to show you is the column, the one I have just marked. Hope you are seeing it. Okay, let me zoom it. So what I've just marked are columns. These columns are at the sit-out. They are for a static view of this structure. Okay, please, I want you to note that, okay? So there are many symbols. Time will not allow me to exhaust all of them, okay? But let's get into another step. So I want us to get into another step, okay? So another thing you have to understand is identifying the layout, okay? The rooms and how it's being positioned, okay? So that's another step, the second step, identifying the layouts. So you have to identify the layout, those things it contains, okay? This is bedroom. And if you are reading your plan, you will be nodding your head. This is another bedroom, okay? This is staircase. I hope you can see it. You'll be saying, wow, this is where the staircase is being positioned. This is living room. You'll be saying, wow, as you are seeing them, you will also be checking the way, the movement, the flow, the direction, okay? The dining, the kitchen, okay? This is the hallway. Yes. Let me start from the sit-out. From the sit-out, you enter through the living room, okay? Then from the living room, you can enter through the dining, okay? From the dining, you can enter through to the kitchen. Then from the kitchen, you can exit to kitchen terrace, okay? Then this is the hallway. From the hallway, you can enter this bedroom. Then from this hallway, you can enter this bath, WC, okay? Then from this hallway also, you have to enter this bedroom, okay? From this main entrance, you can enter this hallway, okay? And so on and so forth. Understanding this layout is very, very important, okay? And the flow, the direction of movement is very, very necessary. If you don't understand them, you will find it very difficult to read that plan. So the third step is what is called checking the dimensions, okay? Checking the dimensions, otherwise called the measurements. So I want you to still look at this drawing. You have to check the dimension very well, okay? So like the width of this plan, one side is 8,375 millimeter. This plan is being drawn in millimeter, but you can still convert it to meter whenever you are interpreting your drawing. You all know that 1,000 millimeter make 1 meter. Do you understand me? So the length is 11,000. Let me zoom it. 11,550 millimeter. Okay. So these are the things you have to know. So you can also convert to meter. So look at this bedroom. Yes, you will be nodding your head that this room is 2,800 by 3,001. Then if it is in meter, you can say 3.1 meter by 2.8 meter. So these are things you have to note so that if there is any amendment or any correction, you can easily correct it before you start executing your structure. Do you understand me? So look at this living room. This living room is 4,300 by 3,575. You can equally convert to meter, which is 4.3 by 3.575. Okay? So the same thing applicable to dining, to kitchen, and so on and so forth. You have to understand your dimensions very well. You have to understand your measurement very well. And you have to know how to convert so easily. Do you understand me? So with that, you have been able to read your floor plan like a pro. Do you understand me? So cross-check your dimensions so that there will be no any error. You can even calculate again so that when you will be executing your structure, interpreting your drawing, then you saw that you will not find it very difficult. Okay? So this is still the 3D view. Okay? All right, there you have it. The 3 simple steps on how to read your floor plan. All right? That is so great. So let me still recap it again. Understanding the symbol is the first step. Identifying the layout is the second step. Okay? Then checking the measurement, otherwise called the dimensions. You have to check it very well. Do you understand me? You have to check your dimensions and the measurement very well. That's the third one. Now, you can walk on into any site or look at any blueprint and know exactly what's going on. Okay? If you have found this helpful, please give this video a thumb up. Please don't forget to subscribe, please.